Good morning, a nice early sunrise for early campers. Today it is just me and Lauren, and we're going somewhere new. A couple of months ago the new water park opened at Universal Studios. There have been some very mixed reviews about it, some good, some bad. Even on Facebook yesterday and last night there was discussions about it not being very good, and lots of wait times and things like that. So that's the reason why only me and Lauren are going to the tour in bed, as it is only 7:30 in the morning. The park only opens at 9, but we thought we'd get there as early as we can to see what we can do in a few hours and see how things go. So we can't take the phone with us on the rides and things like that, obviously. So we'll just see what happens and what we can video on the way in. See you at Volcano Bay, everybody. There's Volcano Bay. That's where we're going. Can we see any people there? It's all very quiet at the moment. It's all very quiet. That's where we're going now. Good morning, everybody. Gone 10 to 8, so it's only 20 minutes from where we are. Very exciting. It's always nice going to a new park. We'll try not to run anybody over. These people walk in the middle of the road, but they're obviously very excited as well. So this is the car park. It's a very empty car park. Don't forget, you've got to write down where you're staying, what car parking spot you're on, because you'll forget. All the parks, there's loads of parking spaces, you will forget. Empty car park. Well, so it's like later on. When you come to Volcano Bay, you park up and then you've got to get a bus to take you across to Volcano Bay. And it's about half a mile away. So that's what we're doing now. Volcano Bay. Yay!
You guys gonna go left through the tunnel, left. You guys gonna go right, left.
This is all very exciting. Volcano Bay. Yay, we're here. So here we are, we've been on all the rides this morning so far at Volcano Bay. We're just waiting for another go on Cracker Tower, and then we're going to get another pass or whatever it's called, the Tapu Tapu for the open drop one, which looks really good. But there is the volcano. It looks pretty amazing. There's a better view of it. That looks lovely. You can't get bored of seeing that sight. All the floor nice and wet for you. Get a nice walk, won't burn your feet. These are some cabanas you can get. They're scattered around the park. And these things will scare you of what it's all about. They are musical. There's a Dancing Dragons bar. Go and treat yourself to a beer. This is amazing. So that's the end of today. I was at Volcano Bay, which was very, very good. Don't think it would have been ideal for Matthew, so I made a good decision leaving it at the pool with Mum. But some of the rides are brilliant, and that view is just amazing. It just looks so good. So long, are you pleased we came?
Yeah.
What was your favourite ride? You can't say nothing.
Cracker Tower,
Cracker Tower, that was mine as well. Really, really good roller coaster. We wasn't sure as to come or not, if we get any bad reviews on wait times and everything else, but we decided to give it a go, and it was very well worthwhile. We did all the big rides by 10 o'clock, but we're here opening, and now it's about 2:45, and we've done everything apart from the drop ones, which got your life lifted through a door. Not because the queue was too big, generally because I'm too scared.
How did you get it?
Yes, that's fair enough. She wasn't. So we've had loads of time here. Done everything we want to do. Now we're heading back to the pool before we go to, I think we're going to Disney Springs tonight for some food and some shopping. But this site behind me in a second will be great. This is the entrance to Volcano Bay, where we were just before 8 o'clock this morning. There you go. Let's take a little photo as well. Now, we have to work out where do we park the car? Because when we parked up there weren't many cars here. But I bet there's a few now. It's not very dark. There you go. We're back. Going down. Back into the tunnel. These are the big buses, or big buses. They're going to take us to our car, which was parked in Spider-Man, row 152. So the question is, can you remember this car park this morning? Well, there's nobody on it, just us. This is the reason why you need to remember where you parked. Write it down, you will forget. So write it down. I use my phone to put it in. I don't use a pen and paper, that'd be crazy. It's 2017. But look at all these cars now. You'll never find it. It's full. What do you sell her?